Deribit NFT integration app. The pros, the cons. The Deribit NFT integration app is adding NFT management to a platform primarily known for crypto derivatives. Most people get this wrong by assuming Deribit only handles futures and options, but the surprising truth is that it now lets users store and view NFTs alongside their trading accounts. On the pros side, the app leverages Deribit's strong security measures, including two-factor authentication and encrypted wallets. NFT management is integrated directly with your account, making funding and portfolio tracking seamless. The interface is clean and user-friendly, allowing beginners to explore NFTs without complication. On the cons side, Deribit's NFT offerings are limited, and advanced features like auctions, analytics, or cross-chain trading are not yet available. It's better suited for collectors who already use Deribit for crypto trading rather than NFT enthusiasts seeking variety. In conclusion, the Deribit NFT integration app is ideal for users who want a simple, secure way to manage NFTs alongside their crypto trading. While it lacks a wide variety of NFTs and advanced features, its integration and safety make it a convenient solution for existing Deribit users.